Looks like a good spot for 112 in gold, maybe.
Yeah, we'll see if this low volume area holds. If it doesn't, then we can see a bigger pullback into this area, but or this one first, right into the monthly VWAP. We also have the yearly VWAP here at 4040. Anyway, so for ES, for the indices, we have a gap that didn't get filled yesterday. We have a P-shaped profile, and we are trading inside this area. This is I think it's a 5-day consolidated profile. I think it's 5 days.
It's great.
Oh, sorry. Give me a second. All right. Can you see it now?
Yeah, we're good.
So this is a 5-day consolidated profile, and we are trading inside this area after coming back past, we passed this, traded above this low volume area, so now this becomes support, and then we almost swept through value here. We still have this area pending, which is the same spot as that Trump tweet. That's the scene of the crime. We closed all the single prints. Value is, we're back inside the previous value area above. So for today we have this spike and we're trading inside value. So what we want to see is if this distribution holds, which is same, almost identical as the overnight range. So basically use the overnight low as the line in the sand and see if we break below it, start trading inside the single print. I would expect some support here in this area. We have also the volatility trigger that usually acts as support. So inside this area and inside the 40s to 50s, we can see a reversal, and then back into this area. Then I would expect this to continue repairing all these bullish imbalances that we've had. We have a bunch of them. We see all this 68.05, 68.11, 68.25, 68.35. So all those eventually get cleaned up. And then, of course, we make new all-time highs, right? Now, if we trade below this area and then start accepting below this 40 area, maybe 37 or so, right? And then break below yesterday's low, then I'm going to be looking for the gap fill and see if we still have some single prints here that need to be cleaned up. See if we get there, and then we just, if that's the case, we could see a value area sweep from Fridays through Friday's range, right? But I think for now, bulls are still in control. My most likely scenario is that we test in here, we bounce, and then we keep this up move going. But if we break above it, now the call wall is at 68.38, so I would think that we could test here and then come back into value and then spend some more time here. So let's see what we get today. NQ is very close to all-time highs. I thought we were gonna get that yesterday because it was pretty strong, but we didn't quite get there. But overnight also made another attempt which failed. Now we're trading inside the spike. Same kind of situation here. If we get below in the spike, watch for the previous day low and a gap fill, which fills at 25.055. And then we have commodities, which this morning crude was looking pretty strong. It was breaking above this low volume node. It got all the way almost to that high volume node of 57.80, but now at the open, the pit open, it just is pulling back and coming back to that magnet this 20-day point of control, which is at 57.05 or so, 57.02. And then we have gold with a huge day yesterday, and now huge reversal. The volatility in gold has been crazy. I've been trading it a little bit because yesterday I thought that we were not gonna get any moves on on ES, so I started trading it in the morning, and it was moving very nicely. Its volatility is high, so now we're trading back into this support area. Just tested Friday's settlement. Settlement, in case you didn't know, for gold is at 1:30 p.m. Eastern. So it's good to mark those. Usually comes back into it, revisits them. It's good to have settlements for all products that you trade. So with stocks it's the close, but with futures you have to check the exchange how they calculate them, because it's not always just daily close. They use different calculations. Anyway, if we break this support, I would expect this 41.60 to 41.50 area, and then watch this. If we keep this move going, then watch the monthly VWAP, which is around 4100, and then below that we have a high volume node of 4060, and then the yearly VWAP. So this area should be very supportive in the case that we have a dump. For now, I think this area we should see some buyers here. I think it's a good spot to, if you want to buy pullbacks, and then first target will be 42.50, and then a return into this range to fill the gap to yesterday's low right here, the 4300s. Alright, I think that's about it. As far as news, we have some earnings today. Netflix is reporting tomorrow, AT&T, IBM, Tesla. So then we have, let's see what big news we have. We don't have anything big other than on the 24th. We have CPI, which is on Friday. On Friday we have a bunch of news. So, all right, that's about it.